Hello Sim Tech Bros, we got a new product in from GeoSmartPro, and you might remember these guys that we've done a couple of fans for. Now they've launched their first smart air fryer, up to 8% less fat, large capacity 8 litres, 1800 watts, powerful smart control and clear view. Works with Hey Google. You switch it around here. You notice we're in a different setting because the box is big. So you can cook delicious healthy meals or bake cake. Our Pro Air Tech system provides high speed air circulation, evenly distributed, and makes food crispy with up to 80% less fat. Now I do have an air fryer here, but it's not as fancy looking as this. And we have about 2 years and it's noisy and it just does behead in, so we're hoping this fixes all that. So you've got preset functions. FC monitor your food without heat loss through the easy view basket. GeoSmartPro app will give you lots of functions which we're going to see now in a sec. And you've got an ergonomic design, compact footprint, and dishwasher safe food basket for easy cleanup. So around here you've got your 2-year warranty, you've got your power, high speed circulation, shake reminder, 8 presets, app control, adjustable tray, 8 litres touch panel and clear view. So that's just that there. So your chicken, steak, chips, vegetables and more. So it'll be chicken, steak and chips for me. And you've got the app which is on Android and iOS. Supports 2.4G. And you can check all out there. So you got your drumsticks, pizza, sausage, chips, bacon, cake and custom. So you got other bits in here, which we'll be taking a look at when we're reviewing it. And that'll be pretty much it. And then up on top you have got this here. So we're going to try and attempt to unbox it here and give you a look. So first up you get the user guide inside. And I'm just going to bring the box down and take off like this. Before you go any further, I'm no expert at cooking, so keep that in mind. This is it here. So you got your plug on the back there. You can see it's got a brushed kind of finish, which is really nice looking. Gives it a more premium look. So you've got these little bits here holding it together. Remove before use, which we will do. And handle for basket inside. Use this to pull out. So that's what it looks like inside there. You've got this tray on the bottom and the tray is removable. Just sits in there, so it looks like it there. Close up nicely. Nothing up top, nothing on the left or the right. And underneath you've got your feet and you've got these holes here for it to breathe and all that kind of stuff. So let's have a look at what's in here. You've got your handle, which will just simply pop on there. I'll take this off now. Clips in there like that, and that's it, job done. That's underneath. You can hear that's metal there, little holes then again there. You see the see-through panel here. There's a good bit of thickness in between that as well, and that's what it looks like there. And you just simply remove it there, I suppose, by pulling that up again if you want to take it off. And it's not heavy, it's nice weight too. It's not too heavy or cumbersome or anything like that, but it's got a nice solid feel to it and looks well with this brushed finish. So obviously we're going to get it set up now and come back, show you how it works with the app and all that kind of stuff, and I suppose do a bit of cooking. Stay tuned. So next up we're going to get this set up, download the app, and we have the app in here. Get it connected up and set things up so we can start using and sign in. So I'm going to get this set up now. We've got our app here as we already used some stuff along to make the, I'm going to add this device and then show you what it's all about and what comes up on this and how the app will work. And this is what your panel is going to look like when it's switched on completely. So we're going to go through all these switches now in a minute. This is what the startup looks like at first. So this is our control panel presentation here. As you can see, you've got a light, which you can see coming on down here. It's 2 layers. And here you've got your temperature adjustment button. So your Wi-Fi signal here. Your temperature increase and decrease here. And all the presets of the meats or whatever you want to be popping in there. Your power on and off and your menu button. Power on and off, and you've got start and pause in here, and that'll turn it off there like so. So next one we're going to prepare some food and pop it in. So as you can see here, the app matches what's on screen there. You've got your power button here and you can switch over to food items, and you've got drumsticks, cooking time, temperature and run on the app. And if you go to fish, you've got that there. You can see it's working from there too. Sausage. And you can also get menus in these as well. And you've got custom, which you can add in there, whichever suits yourself. And you can go up here and edit your name, which we're not going to be really talking about. So you've got your light and you've got your recipes here as well. As mentioned, you've got snacks, meats, vegetables, entry, seafood and dessert. So you can pick between all those if you want to do so. And you can change your temperature here. All that kind of stuff here. We're just pressing that, and your light again, as you can see there, and that's pretty much it. And you can start it and stop it and have a timer on it as well. So that's it. So what we're going to do now is add some food in and show you what happens and what the product looks like, the end product looks like, should I say. Okay, so this is seasoned chicken that I've made, and I'm going to pop this in the second part of the tray later on when it's ready to do, so you can see both them in action and both results when they're fully cooked. That's the food prepared to go in. So one portion of the meal is in, ready to leave it there and let it run. You just hit this here, and away we go. So what happens is you get a beep on the unit itself, and then you get a notification onto your phone, like so here, and that's what it's going to look like there to remind you to shake it with the shaker mode. Stay tuned for more. Now if you want to see your food cooking, you've got your light to go on and off there. You can see how that chicken is looking absolutely gorgeous in there now. When you do take it out to shake it, you can see you get a message on your phone as well. And that's what we're looking like so far, and it looks absolutely delicious. So next I'm prepping the second part of the meal. I'm going to put the tray back in on top and keep on moving. Be back in a minute. So now you can see both foods cooking inside there, top and bottom, and the bread is already rising nicely there, which is pretty cool. Okay, so here's the finished products. We're going to show you this chicken now, which is tasted already, and look at that. Yum yum.